Today, I will explain why the government had to make the difficult decision of tightening the Dependency Ratio Ceiling, or DRC, and the S-Pass sub-DRC for the services sector in 2020 and 2021. This will impact industries like accommodation, information and communications, food services, retail, and professional services. I'll also discuss how the government, employers, and workers can jointly tackle the challenges going forward. Let me start by commending our mainstream media for their insightful and balanced pieces on the DRC issue. In particular, I want to highlight a well-written editorial by Zhao Bao on 22nd of February, which presented the trade-offs clearly and explained why the tightening is necessary. The number of S-Pass and work permit holders in the services sector has increased by 34,000 in the last 3 years. In fact, the S-Pass numbers are the highest we have seen in the last 5 years. The editorial hit the nail on the head by observing that if the total number of foreign workers rises too quickly, it will affect the employment outcomes of local workers and lead to socio-political problems in Singapore. And we have seen this happen in other countries. Indeed, this is a key reason why the government proceeded with the DRC tightening. We knew it would be painful for the affected companies, and we agonized over this difficult decision during our many rounds of inter-ministry discussions. On balance, we decided that it was better to make a move now to moderate the overall number of foreign workers in Singapore before the problem gets out of hand. As the Zhao Bao editorial said, the DRC tightening is necessary bitter medicine, 治本的苦口良药. We are aware that many companies in the services sector are facing labor constraints, and some have started to invest in productivity improvements by adopting technology and re-engineering their processes. Ms. Denise Phua and Mr. Douglas Foo spoke about this. Our economic agencies like ESG and STB have been working closely with the companies and industry associations. I attend regular dialogues with our companies, including sessions organized by NTUC in my capacity as advisor to USME. My colleagues and I also visit services sector companies and witness firsthand how they have been working hard to implement productivity measures and upskill their workers through SkillsFuture training. The hard work is starting to bear fruit. We need to keep it up. If we look at the real value added per actual hour worked from 2013 to 2018, which is one measure of productivity, it has increased by 4.4% per annum for the accommodation industry, 3.2% per annum for retail trade, and 1.4% per annum for food services. In the accommodation industry, for example, total manpower declined by about 1% between 2013 to 2018, even though total room stock increased by 4% during the same period. Now, these positive results were due to our companies' efforts to innovate, upskill their workers, and adopt progressive work practices.